Hey friends, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today we are going to make some orange soap. Now we're going to use orange essential oil from Brambleberry. Right here, my camera wasn't focusing. And then we are going to use some orange peel powder. We're also going to decorate our soap with some dried oranges, and I dried these oranges myself because I couldn't find oranges anywhere. I looked on Amazon and they're all were, I don't know, kind of weird. So I decided to dehydrate some oranges on my, I have an air fryer, which is a dehydrator or broiler, I don't know, it has a bunch of features. So I decided to dehydrate my own oranges. And this is gonna be a completely natural soap. We're not gonna add any colorants or any fragrance oil to it. This is the first time that I work with kind of like an all natural soap. There's a lot of firsts today. I am soaping at 88 Fahrenheit. Can you believe that? I always soap at 120, but I was trying to do the ice and lye thingy where instead of using normal temperature water, you use ice, and I wasn't expecting it to go down so much, and it went down to 86. It didn't climb from there, it was just stayed at 86. So I was forced to cool my oils a little bit, and yeah, so I've never worked with this temperature before, so wish me luck. I know sometimes we can get a false trace, so I have to be very vigilant with that. So 88 right now, we are at 88. Yes, I am nervous, I am. Okay, so we're going to add our colloidal oatmeal. Today I don't feel like adding kaolin clay. I don't know, I just don't want to use it today. So we're going to add some colloidal oatmeal, tiny bit more. Right, so we're now adding our lye solution. Wish me luck. Let me just get the strainer just in case. Like I've mentioned in some of my videos, I never soap at room temperature just because I am very impatient. I don't like to wait. That's why I try to do the ice and lye method today, just because I bought a wax melter from the company of Nova, and I'm going to leave the link in the description box in case you're interested. I'm using the wax melter as an oil heater. That's the word, oil heater. Anyway, I'm heating my oils in the wax melter and I'm loving it. It keeps the temperature. For example, I put it at 110 and it keeps the temperature very well. It maintains the temperatures, and that's what I like because I don't have to be heating my oils every time I'm going to do a batch. I just turn it on, and if I do a couple batches, then it's always at the same temperature. I just need to mix my lye. So today I was like, well, maybe if I add ice, I'll get like 100 and maybe 10 or 20, but it was less than that. So yeah, let's just give some pulses. All right, let's just add the orange peel powder, and I got this from Brambleberry. I guess we're gonna add kind of like a teaspoon. I want to add it now. That would be kind of like, yeah, just like that. I don't want to add too much. Ooh, smells like orange. Duh. Of course. All right, so I just want to blend this too much. Let me just see. Yeah, looks great. Let me know in the comments at what temperature you guys soap. And wait, let's just add the orange essential oil. Wow, it smells amazing, you guys. Just kind of stir it like this. Wow, what a nice color. I want to get this to a thick trace, because since I'm soaping at room temperature, I'm afraid I'm gonna get soda ash. I always get soda ash, but when I soap at a higher temperature and do a water discount and all that stuff, it always helps. So I guess if it's too cold, maybe I'll get soda ash. So I'm going to mix until I have medium trace, so we can pour and we can prevent that. So I'm noticing that I have to stick blend for so much longer than the usual. Normally I'll get to trace very quickly. So I've been stick blending for a long time and still we don't even have light trace. All right, can feel it. We're getting there. I've been stick blending for probably like 6 minutes. Oh my god. Well, it's not at the trace that I was looking for, but this is okay. We'll work with this. And I was just thinking while I was doing this, because I had a lot of time to think. I was thinking this is going to affect my gel face, because I always gel my soaps. I don't do anything. I just soap at a very high temperature and they gel. I put a towel around them and they always gel. They don't overheat, so it's kind of like the perfect temperature for me. But I'm just thinking that today that is not going to happen, because this is not going to get hot enough to get you know, to go through the gel face. We'll see. This is an experiment for me. Okay, so I think it's okay. And as you can see, it's a beautiful, beautiful batter. Like I always say, Brambleberry has amazing fragrance oils. They're such great quality. You can feel it when you're mixing your batter. It's amazing. I just love their fragrances. All right, so now I think we're okay to pour, and we're going to use this little mold right here. These are linked in the description box. I have an Amazon storefront, an affiliate store, where I put all the supplies I use in these videos, so you can go there, click the link, and just browse around. And these molds are there. Smells delicious. All right. Let me scrape all this. And let me, oops, sorry guys, I got cut off. I just poured the whole thing here. I scraped my bowl, and I was asking you, what was your favorite thing to use? Fragrance oils or essential oils? Let's see if this is ready. I've used essential oils once before, and I wanted to give it a try again. I love orange, so why not? Alright, so now we're going to decorate our top with the oranges. Let me see, let me choose this one. And I always decorate the tops mostly with melt and pour soap, but this time, since I'm making an all natural soap, I decided to, you know, put some real things on top. Okay, so here, I'm so excited, you guys. It smells so good. And tell me please, where do you get your orange slices? If you if you've done this, please tell me, because I've been trying to find orange slices. I couldn't. And there's a Trader Joe's close to my home, so I was like, oh, Trader Joe's, they should have it. I went there and I bought some and I was so excited, and when I checked, they were moist and they had sugar. So that's a complete no-no for soap making. We cannot put moist things on top of soap. So yeah, didn't work out for me. All right, so this was a very short video. I have to make sure to edit the part where I'm mixing everything, because that took so long. My battery even died. But yeah, I hope you guys like this. Now we're going to wait for 24 hours and then we're gonna cut it together. Hey guys, so we are back and we're going to cut our orange soap. It went through gel phase. I covered it with towels and I checked and it was going through gel phase, so that wasn't a problem. I just realized I was so nervous yesterday. I wasn't thinking straight. It's a little bit soft still. My recipe tends to be really soft the second day when I'm going to cut it. I've tried leaving it in the mold, but sorry, but it's still, when I take it out of the mold, it's a bit soft. Smells so good, and I think the color is just perfect. I like that very pastel color, and as you can see the orange peel. Let me see if my camera wants to focus. Okay, over there you can see, and it looks so good. You can see little specks of it around here. Love, love, love. I'm in love. Okay, so now we're going to cut our soap. I always do a very fancy cut video at the end, and I love it because it's just like very pretty and relaxing. But today I decided I was going to cut the soap and talk a little bit about my cutter. I've been wanting to buy another cutter, but I want the multi-cutter one. And I need your recommendations, because I love cutting each bar individually, because then you can see each design and stuff like that. It's a little bit boring when it is like this. It doesn't have any design inside, so we know how each bar is going to look. But also because I've been trying to simplify my process, and of course a multi-cutter will be very, very helpful. I don't know if I should cut this. Let me just put it. And I was looking online and I see that some people have colorful cutters, like purple, pink, teal, and there was this guy from Russia that used to make them, but of course after all the things that were happening over there, and then their shops on Etsy were shut down, we're not able to get them anymore. And I am following him on Instagram and I've messaged him, but I haven't received a response, so I guess I have to look for someone else. And I look at Nurture Soap. They used to have like a very pretty pink and purple one, but they don't carry it anymore, so yeah. I'm gonna have to look for another seller, but I want it to be teal or maybe pink. I haven't found another seller with those colors. Wait, this is the front, right? Yeah, so pretty. Smells so good, just like an orange juice. I just turned my light off because I was noticing it looked very yellow, and it was because my light was on. I'm sorry. And I get asked very often what kind of camera do I use. I use a Canon G7X and it's Mark II, and I love my camera. It does a great job at making everything look very cinematic, like blurry backgrounds, and I love this camera because of that. I also sometimes use my phone. I have an iPhone, and that's what I use to film sometimes, and it works perfectly. And I've received some messages from people who want to start their own YouTube journey, and you can do it even with your phone. You don't have to have a fancy camera or equipment. You just need to start, you know? And of course, try to be genuine and just go with the flow. Like it's so important to me not to try to be like anyone else just to get likes and subscribers. I am me, and if people like what I'm doing, they're gonna subscribe, and if they don't, well, they don't. It's just how it is. I am so in love, so in love. So please guys, if you can, leave me a recommendation for a good cutter. I would really appreciate it. Also, don't forget to hit like, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so you don't miss a video. Also, it's very important that you click the bell button so you receive notifications of new videos. And leave me a comment down below. I was saying in my previous video that commenting on videos help us a lot with the algorithm. Well, this one is super thick. Maybe I should cut. Let me see, how can I cut it? And this we can use as a sample, or I've seen some people that have a lot of ends and they do kind of like a bundle and sell them. Sometimes I use these for me, or I add them to orders as a sample. Alright guys, well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please let me know in the comments if you prefer fragrance oils, essential oils, and why. I love to use fragrance oils because I think they're super strong and you have a lot of variety. You can choose from a lot of suppliers. And essential oils, you know, it's just a matter of how you combine them, and of course they have a lot of benefits, but it's just that I think it's like the same thing over and over again. And since I like to design a lot of my soaps like very colorful and, you know, themes that go with the fragrance oil, I find it kind of boring for me. I'm not saying it's boring, it's just it's not like the thing that I really, you know, look forward to. I really like fragrance oils because of that, because of the ability to play with them. But let me know in the comments, what do you prefer and why? And also, please, if you know of a cutter that's cute looking, let me know so I can see if I can get one. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye guys.